Every object in your scene has both an anchor, where it appears, and a visual representation, what users see. Available object types. 3D models are objects from your asset library for detailed and realistic content. Containers are invisible groups that organize and manage multiple objects together. Primitives are basic shapes, like boxes, spheres, or planes, for quick prototyping. A media can be an image or video displayed in your scene. Portals are windows into immersive 3D environments that users can peer into. And here's how you add an object. First, click the plus button to see all options. Let's walk through each type. 3D models are perfect for characters, props, or detailed objects. Select Add 3D Model and choose from your asset library. The selected object will appear in your scene. You can always swap models later or even change to a different content type entirely. Containers are essential for organization. Think of them as invisible folders for your content. You can drag objects into containers or right-click any object and select Wrap into Container. To ungroup, right-click the container and choose Dissolve Container. When you move a container, everything inside moves with it, making group transforms and animations possible. Primitives. When you need simple shapes quickly, primitives are your friend. Choose from box, sphere, or plane. They're perfect for blocking out your scene, creating UI elements, or serving as placeholders while you work on final assets. You can even turn a primitive into a 3D model later without losing your positioning. Media. Add visual content directly to your scene. Images work great for UI elements, textures, or informational displays. Videos can show clips, instructions, or even spatial video content that users can view from different angles. Portals. Portals create windows into immersive 3D environments. Users can look into immersive spaces and explore them visually. The objects inside can also cross between the worlds. They can stay within the portal or come out into your main scene. Some info about key properties. Every object has essential properties. First, identity. You can name your objects for easy organization. You'll find the option in the right side panel. Transform and alignment. Position, rotate, and scale your object with precision. You can also use the gizmo. Asset assignment. You can swap out models or media anytime by selecting a new one from the asset library. Select the object you're working on and browse through its specific settings in the right side panel. There's a lot to explore. Note: in your asset library, you can replace an existing model and it will be changed in all experiences using it. Here's some more interesting info for managing your content. Nested transforms. Objects inside containers move based on the container's position. You can target containers as well as the separate objects within when animating. Quick uploads. Drag and drop new assets directly into your scene while building. They will automatically upload to your library. Type switching. Change any object's type later. For example, primitive to model, image to video, and so on.